This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster chowder. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped perfectly. Then, we'll walk through the cooking process step by step, building incredible flavor layers. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to create a truly delicious and comforting bowl of homemade lobster chowder. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this classic seafood delight. For our lobster chowder, quality ingredients are key. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of cooked lobster meat, cut into 1-inch pieces. Grab 2 large russet potatoes, diced into 1/2-inch cubes, and finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 4 cups of good quality fish or clam broth. This forms the delicious foundation of our chowder. Freshness makes all the difference here. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by sautéing your chopped onion, celery, and garlic in 4 tablespoons of butter until they are wonderfully softened. Next, add the diced potatoes and 4 cups of broth, simmering gently until the potatoes are tender. To thicken, make a simple roux with 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, then whisk it into the simmering liquid. This creates a rich, creamy base. For the grand finale, gently fold in your cooked lobster meat during the last 5 minutes of cooking to prevent it from becoming tough. Stir in 1.5 cups of heavy cream for that luxurious richness and velvety texture. Season your chowder with salt, white pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne to taste, adjusting as needed. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley or chives, then serve your magnificent lobster chowder warm. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.